Okay, my friend, we have detoxed the closet. We've organized all the clothing. Now what? Well, there are a few extra steps to go in the process, and we're gonna go over that right now. Let's get started. I normally put my sweaters in this, but I'm no longer really excited about that. I also just don't like things now that I cannot see through, and this little area is kind of a catch-all that I'm not satisfied with. And then over here we have hats, we have beachwear is in that beach bag. I have other undergarment, shapewear and so on in that, and then my hat's across the top shelf that goes right between my tops and my jeans and casual pants, and it also has become a little messy. So I am going to run and grab some see-through containers and try and finish this up this afternoon. I decided to come to Home Goods and see what I can find for clear bins for the rest of the closet, and they have some really good stuff here. So I'll meet you back in the closet and show you what I do. We've got a couple stacking bins, 3 larger bins, 3 smaller bins, and then an extra large bin for sweaters. And let's see how it looks. Put my sweaters in the larger bin. I love that I can see everything. Then I have the smaller bins and stacked bins with accessories, belts, and so on up above. And then on the other side, I put my undergarments, slips, shapewear. I kept the beach bag with the beachwear in there. And then we have shorts and skirts in the little bins, excuse me, between the top and bottom. So here's how it all turned out. I'm really happy with the way it looks. I have a relatively small closet, so you have to make the most of the space that you have. And of course, keep your closet edited and detoxed as much as possible so that you are not overwhelmed and you can actually have fun getting dressed again. So I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and grab my closet detox guide for help on doing this on your own. Have a great day, and God bless.